Welcome to another episode of the Bushcraft Rookie. Today I will be trying to start a fire with my new incredible tools that were sent to me by another YouTuber, and I'm using flax, dried flax that has fallen under my flax trees. There's a lot around the west coast, so I've tried a few times already in different situations and have had some good results. Thanks to the size of the ferro rod, and obviously it's a little bit drier now that the spring has come, so this time it's only taken me 2 strikes and we are away. So a big tick in my book in regards to using dry flax. I also tried some of the punk fungus that it gave me, and the amount of time that it holds an ember is incredible. It just keeps the heat and keeps the ember there. So yeah, thank you for the advice and help. Fire starting has got a lot easier with the incredible tools that have been provided for me.